What is the origin of life?
The origin of life from non-living matter, known as abiogenesis, remains a profound scientific mystery. Several theories have been proposed to explain this complex process, including the RNA world hypothesis, suggesting self-replicating RNA molecules played a role, and the hydrothermal vent hypothesis, proposing life originated near ocean floor vents. The Panspermia hypothesis suggests life's building blocks might have come from space, while the clay hypothesis proposes complex organic molecules formed on clay surfaces. Despite these theories, the exact mechanisms and conditions leading to life's emergence remain unclear, and ongoing research explores the chemical and environmental factors that may have facilitated this transformative transition on early Earth.